It was a scene of deep sorrow mixed with pride as the community came together to celebrate the life of Richard Latta, popularly known as Lita, a former player of Benoni United. Richard was remembered not only as a formidable footballer who brought excitement to local stadiums, but also as a dedicated mentor to the youth in Daveyton. Tributes described him as a pillar of the community and a gentle giant of the field, nurturing the next generation of football talent long after his playing days.
Lita was a humble man and a soft-spoken person. Angangzi ngibona empilweni yakhe aphakamisa ivoice alwa ngizange ngize bathi uLita uyalwa kubuhlungu nje ukuhamba kwakhe kubuhlungu kakhulu ukuhamba kwakhe uthi uNkulunkulu uyazi uNkulunkulu uzosipholisa no-Yvonne uzomgcina sibonga no-Yvonne amgcine till the last day according to their vows.
Yeah, abaningi bazomkhumbula uLita egijima kwiBenoni United onogwaja the Rabbit. In fact, he was the captain of the team. Uyabona njoba sila ngibona ingwazi ayidlala nazo abo Jacob Buda Mathathe, abo Special Ndlovu, ubana omunye okhona Dance Maleti. Uyabona baningi ababenabo ngalezo inkathi. iBenoni United kwakungayelibuyayo esinaba ngalezo inkathi. Wakukhona abo Mr Executive Mjanqeka oShaka Nkosi, kukhona igoalkeeper abeyibuya eVelcom ababethi uEfrem Marigitla. Yes, kukhona the late uVeli Mzimela. Yes, uthi special ngelinye ilanga bedlala neChiefs ngathi Veli mbambe lo winking uthi besho thina idladla weChiefs. Uthi ngathi manje ngiyaphendwa ngathola uVeli abheke phezulu. Uthi ngaya kuyo teenage ngafike ngamshange elbow kanje ngathi yewona Sunduza sani udlala ngophunyuka bemphethe. That's just how hilarious ibhola langa lezo ikhathi yayingekho team eyineinkomo. Wawuya ku-ACs wawuthola abo baba kaDumisa Ngobo Junior Ngobe, uthola abo the late Bazuka Seshweni, abo Mahala Maimane and so on and so on. But because mina inkaba yami ila eDaveyton though ngikhulele eDurban, abo nogwaja kwakunogwaja the Rabbits kwakugijinyo. Uyabona uLita lo esize ngaye manje la ngesifo zakhe kwakuyiyona iCaptain njoba uzwile ukuthi uma icoach ixoshwa owaye actor as a coach kwakuba uLita, makuxoshwa icoach kwakuba uyena khona. But ngaleso sikhathi soft spoken, you could imagine ukuthi why babekhetha umuntu soft spoken kanje as a captain, because of the qualities he possessed aloka a gentle giant. So silahlekelwe kakhulu Daveyton yonke kanye neBenoni yonke as a whole ngokulahlelwa bani ngokulahlelwa ilegend yethu uRichard Lita Latta.
As the community prepares to say their final goodbye, the legacy of Richard Latta will continue to inspire those who had the privilege to watch him play. He may have left the pitch, but he remains a hero in the heart of Daveyton. Tiseto Malau and Lawrence Madontela for eToto TV.